Hi, this is my Renaissance Grandma. I have an unboxing. Someone knows I love herbs. Stay tuned.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. That's my Renaissance grandma. That's my Renaissance grandma. That's my Renaissance grandma. Hey. Yeah. She be flipping that dirt, stay designing them shirts. She be knee deep in that soil, marinating them oils, making it, baking it, creating it. Yeah, making it, baking it, creating it. That's my Renaissance grandma. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi, this is my Renaissance Grandma. I just picked up a box from the post office, which has been there for 5 days, but I didn't realize it. Okay, this right here is basil. Okay, this right here is stevia. This is lemon balm. This is lemongrass. Wow, I'm so excited. This is holy basil. Yes. This is more holy basil. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is a secret admirer. More holy basil. Oh my God, you all know I am going to be creating something and sharing. This is bee balm. I don't know what that is, but trust and believe. I'm going to make something out of it. This is, what does that say? Oh, chocolate mint. Never had that before. And that's it. Thank you all for sharing my little haul. I'll pray for you, you pray for me, and we'll watch God change things. God bless everybody.